Hi there, we're Team 6566 and we're really proud to show you our robot and everything else that we've done this year, given all of this year's challenges for this season more than any other. William, if you want to take it away now.
Yeah, this is the robot. His name's John. Got an intake system that goes straight to a conveyor belt and then into outtake. It's got a pretty simple drivetrain. We put the gears on the outside to be able to easily change gear ratios if need be. While designing it, we had a 4-step process where we'd brainstorm in groups or alone, and then we'd go into drawing and CADing up the robot parts, and then we'd test them out in real life and see what's good or bad or how efficient they are, and then we'd reflect and see how we can make our later builds better.
What makes our robot good is how structurally sound it is. We made sure to put it in CAD just exactly how we wanted it, and made sure every part supported things. That's why you're not going to see any flex or bending. What makes our robot unique is how we designed it as a vessel for our input-output system, rather than designing the input-output system for our robot.
Like William said, all our CADing started on paper first and then moved to actual CADing on a computer. We went through 3 different full CAD designs before deciding on this robot's design that we have built now.
Okay, and so like what they were talking about with the robot, that's just one part of how our team functions. We also have our documentation and our outreach, and all 3 of those areas have people collaborating with them all the time to where we're able to make a more collaborative team where we all know what's happening with the robot and how our notebook and portfolio are doing and what we're doing with our next outreach and mentoring. And this allows our team to be greater than some of its parts while also being highly specialized and more focused on specific areas to where some of us are experts in certain fields.
To expand upon outreach, we've actually started planning a Snowball Challenge event, which is an event in which we send out flyers and DIY videos and inspirational videos for people to build catapults at home. They will come to our event, test out their catapults, and at this event we'll have STEM resources, vendors, companies to help bring STEM more to our community, and we are really excited about this to bring first values to everyone and just expand our knowledge and expand on what we know.
Yeah, so during our initial lockdown, we really wanted to reach out and connect with our community. So we decided to utilize our social media platforms to post many challenges so that kids could do them to better themselves in engineering and STEM.
We've also reached out to several organizations, one of those being the Boy Scouts. We helped them get their robotics merit badge by showing them about the human-robotic interface in which we made a video, as well as showing them how to build a robot.
And using our current mentors, we aggressively sought out mentors new and old to help us further some skills that we knew less about. These mentors have taught us how to better program, CAD, and solder. And using these methods, we are able to increase our efficiency and productivity whilst building the robot.
In order to keep steady or increase our sustainability with new team members coming while old leave, we have a STEAM carnival at the middle school every year where we show off our robot as well as our team and what we do, such as coding, engineering, and the design process to future robotics members.
Okay, so I just wanted to talk about how proud I am of this team and all the challenges that they've overcome this year to create not only a robot, but also a portfolio and notebook and outreach opportunities that we've participated in and led, and to create a team that's really probably the best team that we've ever had. We've been 6566. Thank you.